Alright, so I wanted to make a video what I got in the mail today. Let's see, we got a little envelope or something from Mercury Magnetics. Hope this is getting on the camera. Oh, hey, look at that. Tone Clone FDP-20 power transformer. Primary and secondary. A box, I would imagine. There we go. It's a blob of bubble wrap. The packing job's excellent. I mean, this thing's buried. It's okay by me. Tone Clone Plus FDP/20. Mercury. Well, you know, actually, looks like everything's there, nice and clean. Oh, it's even got a little stamp there, 2121. Sticker. It's lay down tight. Looks like a good transformer. I'm just going to keep it in the bubble wrap for now, because I'm still waiting on Mojo Tone. I bought a cabinet and a chassis and the eyelet boards for everything, and I already have a output reverb and choke transformers. I got a bunch of stuff and a bunch of stuff I don't got. Don't got a speaker yet. I got a rear reverb tank already, an older one. It'll work just fine. And just letting the picture sit there. Sorry I'm not taking it out of the bubble wrap, but I think it's best to leave it in there for now. I'm still waiting on stuff, right? So just leave it in there. It'll be fine. I don't really need to test it. Time will come for that. Yep. But yeah, I got some other stuff coming yet. Kind of get everything collected and do a test fit. After I work the bugs out on that in the chassis, I got a faceplate coming. I already got the back plate for one. Here's that. Still in its plastic, of course. It's upside down. Way to go. Yeah. So there's the back plate for the chassis. Made in USA. Oh yeah, it will be. Alright, I wanted to make another little video segment on this AB763 type circuit design deluxe reverb that I'm building. And I got my board made, and it's kind of like a Hoffman board. It's the same fiberglass material, but I order my own fiberglass material from Easy Plastic. That's about the cheapest I've found for the same kind of material. And then I like these brass turrets, and I get the screw kind in, and I don't know if you can see that, but that one's got a little nut on it right there. And some folks would say, well, they'd just vibrate loose and get down in the amplifier chassis, but what I do is, after I'm finished, I use a little Loctite on them so they don't come out. I've had good luck with them so far, so I keep using them. And they're a little stubby. I'd like them to be a little taller, but they're kind of pricey. And I said brass, but I think they're just they're gold coated, and I can't remember what the base metal is. It's probably aluminum or something. And but anyway, I was just working on it a little bit. I was putting in a couple of jumps that I gotta make between turrets, and just fitting a cap in there. Nothing's soldered yet. And I'm gonna try out these Royal Synergy coupling capacitors. I got a bag full of them. I'm gonna try them out and see how they work. I'm sure they work just fine. I did throw a few of them on my oscilloscope to see if the band is on the foil end or not, and some of them it is, but I did find one that was mismarked. So don't always trust the band mark, I would say. Most generally it's correct, I would imagine, but I did find one that was not correct. I just throw them on an oscilloscope and have a look at it that way. What else can I say? Yeah, it's my own circuit design. You know, it's basically an AB763, but I left the tremolo circuit out. I don't want the amp to have tremolo. It's going to have reverb, obviously. And I got my Mercury transformers, output, power, reverb driver, and choke. And decided to go with all Mercury on that. And show you how I make a little jump here. Give me a little piece of copper wire, and I'm gonna make a little jump. I don't know if you'll be able to see how I'm doing this in the camera or not, but I like to just curl one end up and fit it on the bottom half of the lug here. The jump's just going to go between, I think my hand's in the way, the jump's just going to go between this turret and this turret. And it's for the B+, these turrets are. I like to just wrap them halfway, clip the excess off, of course. Kind of just snug them down. Try to make it look nice. Alright, well, my camera ran out of memory, so I got stopped abruptly. So this is the next segment, I guess. I was in the process of making some jumps between turrets, and it's kind of just showing how I do that. And nothing real hard about it, but I like to try to show something that I'm doing, I guess. And like I was saying, I just like to get a little, about halfway around. You don't need to make the complete circle. And get my hands out of the way. I had to go clean my camera up, so I noticed, or clean the memory out, so I noticed in the segment that I did previous to this, I noticed my hands are pretty much in the way. Can't see a dang thing. But anyway, just something like that. Try to make it look nice and function properly. And snug it on down. I'm just making the amp for myself, so I'm not doing it for anybody else but myself. So just another amp build, experimenting a little bit and trying to gain some knowledge here and there. Been building amps for a little while, but I'm no expert at it for sure. Maybe I can show you the computer over here, and this is my pardon my filming. I got this on a tripod, and so this is my my circuit design here, and it's in the DIY layout creator. Guess it's got an update today, and anyway, there's that. And I don't got the whole amp on here, but the majority of it for sure. And I've done this a few times and used this program a few times, and I hate this dang tripod. It's terrible. And then I hate filming with just my hands too, because I can't do anything. I can't show anything because my hands are full of camera. And it's a pain in the rear. I haven't figured out how to do the video photographing very well. But anyway, I got pretty much all my parts in this box here. I still got some resistors on order, and ordered a couple of things from Hoffman that I need to get. I did get got the chassis from Mojo Tone, and it's pretty nice. It's steel construction. I was thinking maybe it was going to be aluminum. I didn't read real close about it, but it's steel construction, which is okay. Nice quality, I would say. It looks like they do a dang good job. Board will sit in there on standoffs, of course. I'll probably have it up like about yay or so, enough that I can run some wires under the board. Like I say, I still got some connections I want to do on the underside of the board, like the load resistors, and the 100K load resistors, and some of the reverb stuff, and I'll just tie a wire to here and screw it down, and I'll probably, in the past, I've even tied the wire to the 2 points, soldered it, and put the nut on, and then soldered it again, which really makes a real stable connection, which is, sorry for the ringtone there, which is really good. You want that. And like I said, it's my own design, and hopefully the dang thing works. We'll make it work eventually, I'm sure. I've already done one deluxe reverb in the red box in a previous video. If you go back and look and see how I constructed that. This is a little bit different design, and I'm putting it in a chassis, and Mojo Tone's building the cabinet for it too. And I've ordered a cabinet from them before, and they do really nice quality work. This time they told me the cabinets are 8 to 10 weeks out though, which seems like a long time, but I had them sent me, you know, the chassis and a couple other things, and so at least I could get on with a little bit of the building and stuff. That's about all I've got for now on this segment of the video. I'll have to make another one, try to keep a progress report going. I'm not very good with the videos, so you'll have to bear with me, and I'm probably not very good at explaining what I do and stuff. But if you watched, thanks for watching. Bye.